Will Solana survive the crypto winter? What is Solana, and what has the native coin of the blockchain been up to? Solana is an open source project that has developed a brand new ultra-fast layer 1 blockchain that doesn't need special permissions like most blockchains. But does that really matter with the ongoing crypto winter? The cryptocurrency market is still suffering from negative sentiment after the crash, and Solana is suffering with it. So does this mean it has no future outlook? In this video, we examine the project's potential, market sentiments despite the crypto crash, and price prediction. Let's dive right in. What is Solana? With so many people joining the Solana hype train, a lot of them are left wondering if the coin is a good long-term investment or if they should sell any coins they purchased before it plunges anymore. But before we tell you whether or not it's a good investment, let's talk about what it is first. With 2,700 transactions per second, Solana is considered one of the fastest cryptocurrencies in the crypto market. Solana has helped to address one of the biggest challenges to widespread crypto acceptance as a legitimate currency around the world and has moved people closer to widely recognized decentralized finance. Who knows? Maybe Solana could one day challenge Visa, MasterCard, and American Express to become the most used payment system. This doesn't seem so far-fetched considering Solana's low costs, traffic, and instantaneous processing times. Solana, like Cardano, uses the more effective proof-of-stake protocol, which gives miners access to additional coins in relation to how much has been mined so far. Additionally, it makes use of proof of history to verify that the order of the transactions goes through without any hiccups. The proof of history feature is what makes the network faster, while proof of stake keeps it operational. Solana's blockchain technology is also at the heart of NFT trading. Multiple NFT markets such as Metaplex, Solana Art, and the popular Magic Eden are hosted by Solana. Solana is highly adaptable with very reasonable fees, so naturally it's a no-brainer for NFT traders and markets. There's no doubt that the Solana network is giving Ethereum a run for its money in the NFT trading market. The Solana blockchain is highly efficient, very stable, and offers low transaction fees for investors. These factors come together to give Solana the potential to become a good long-term investment as far as crypto trading goes. According to Coinbase.com, Solana makes 90% of its trades through purchases and 10% of investors who sell. Anatoly Yakovenko, the current CEO of the Solana lab, and Raj Gokal, who's currently a member of the Solana board and the chief operating officer, started the company in 2017. Part of the reason why people trust Solana is that its CEO has experience in system architecture and sought to apply his skills to a new blockchain paradigm that allowed for quicker processing. According to CoinMarketCap, Solana is the 9th largest cryptocurrency with a market worth of $11.7 billion and is trading at $43.11 midway through July 2022 at the time of making this video. So you must be wondering how much Solana will be worth by the end of 2022 and beyond, so let's get right into it. Solana price analysis and forecasts. The Sol coin has risen to the top of the cryptocurrency market based on technical analysis, historical data, and fundamentals. The currency had virtually hit $4.40 by the end of January 2021, as predicted by past Sol price predictions. Since then, as a result of a major bullish phase, the currency's price has stabilized at around $43. The collaborations, initiatives, and alliances increased the network's scalability to several million transactions per second. All of that led Solana prices to skyrocket to $260, giving it a new all-time high and proving its huge potential as a major player in the crypto market. Based on the current Solana token price, we think the currency isn't exactly a good short-term investment. In the long term, however, the technical signs imply that it might be a smart investment decision. Let's find out what analysts and market predictions have to say about that. Price forecast 2022 to 2025. Sol's current performance isn't particularly encouraging, although there might be a bunch of reasons for that. Solana isn't considered to be a bad investment for crypto enthusiasts. The entire crypto market saw a huge drop in the first and second quarter of 2022, and the Solana blockchain fell prey to it too, but it also experienced a couple of problems of its own. The first of which was a technical error which caused the Sol blockchain to go down for approximately 4 hours. The durable nonce transactions, a sort of offline transaction, were affected by this problem. These transactions were suspended until the developers identified and corrected the problem. Credit where credit is due, at least they fixed the problem, right? In addition to this, the network had a different problem that lingered for about 8 hours. The problem was clock drift, or more specifically the lag in on-chain time that Solana was facing. This error was brought on by slower performance from longer block processing, but they fixed that too. They might even set a precedent where fixing problems becomes expected. I know, crazy, right? Experts predict that Solana might skyrocket by the end of 2022. According to Gov Capital, they have a wildly optimistic outlook for Solana and predict that it could reach $257. And they're not the only ones with a bearish prediction, because Coin Price Forecast predicts a very realistic estimated rise of $56 by the end of this year. Sol works with the product's user experience and has built a quick, trustworthy network. These characteristics have a high chance of leading Solana to a reasonable price of around $45 by 2023. The thing is, if the need for cryptocurrencies with use cases persists till 2023, the price of the Solana token will experience a massive change in investor interest. Cryptocurrencies' security and scalability qualities are what primarily help cryptocurrencies succeed. Successful marketing campaigns may take care of the rest, allowing the investors to reap the rewards in the end. According to Coin Price Forecast, 3 years from now, Solana might range between $126 and $141. So if you were to buy Solana at the current price, your investment would more than triple. According to Gov Capital, Solana will undoubtedly climb over the next few years, reaching anything between $1,068 and $1,445 by 2025. But according to Capital.com, wallet investor experts forecast a Solana price collapse to around $1 by the end of 2025. Solana could see some cloudy days if crypto policy and laws are altered in any way. It may play steadily at $50 while sailing peacefully, preventing a decline. Although the same cannot be characterized as a highly overblown and buoyant reach, it wouldn't be an exaggeration to determine that the Sol price will scale a peak of $60 again, but you can never really know for sure. Conclusion. Despite all the disagreements and conflicts, Sol shows a very strong and thriving ecosystem. To make a large return and reduce risk, we advise new investors to carefully analyze and investigate market patterns such as resistance and support levels before betting on their individual long-term earning potential. At the end of the day, we've learned our lessons from the past, and the reality is that you can't ever truly predict what direction the crypto market will take. Everything in crypto is connected, so if one popular cryptocurrency goes down, it could create a domino effect and the whole crypto market could suffer. But all this could be alien to you if you're just starting out in crypto. If you find this industry interesting and want to learn more about it to improve your crypto knowledge, follow the link in the description for our intensive crypto course. But if you've just made up your mind on Solana and want to buy it, there are several cryptocurrency exchanges and trading platforms like Binance, Coinbase, etc. All you really need to do is create an account and use your debit or credit card to start trading cryptocurrency. Use the link in the description to learn how to use crypto exchanges like Coinbase if you're just starting out. This not only helps you, but it helps us and shows your support for our channel. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Join the conversation in the comments section below and share your thoughts about Solana. If you'd like to learn about another interesting crypto project similar to Solana, consider checking out our upload on Polygon.